If you want a bit of advice, this would be it. Make sure you have MLops pipelines in place. Welcome to the series Why AI Projects Fail. If you're new here, hi, I'm Diana. I work in technology consulting for a few years now, and I've had the privilege to work with multiple AI and data related projects, and I'm here to share my experience and also learn from you. So let this be an exchange kind of interaction. Challenge number 7, the missing MLops. Now, MLops stands for machine learning operations, and it's a standard that has been developing recently in the recent years in order to build reproducible AI pipelines. Now, you build a model once. Congratulations. Can you run it twice, 3 times, n times? If the answer is no, then MLOps might be something you want to look into. If there is no CI/CD for models, then what you have is actually chaos. Now, that's okay. It's your creative chaos and so on. But if you work in a team, that's not the way to build models. And if you want to have backtracked steps, how you got to the solution that you're at today, you need to be sure that you have MLOps practices in place. Drift, decay, and data versioning are real nightmares, even if you work alone on a project. There are standardized ways how to do things, and they just make your life easier. So if you want a bit of advice, this would be it. Make sure you have MLOps pipelines in place. And it's not just some fancy thing that is out there. MLOps builds in practices that allow you to do retrainings, monitoring, validation checks, and do things properly. And also, if by any means you leave the project, make it possible for people who follow after you to understand what have you been up to, what have you developed, and be able to actually maintain what you have created, not just leave something that is meant to go to the grave. Serious teams, serious companies do take care of things like that. So let me know if you have had experience with that. If so, what are those experiences? Write them in the chat, and I will be very curious to learn on what have been maybe some AI mishaps of your own, and how have you introduced MLOps into your project. This has been it for today. Let me know if you enjoyed this episode and if there's something else that you would like to see me covering in this Why AI Projects Fail series.